All right, so here's a cool tip. If you're trying to export from Alchemer / SurveyGizmo and you have a lot of questions and you're exporting like the CSV or Excel format, what's cool is you can come in here and customize and go to settings. And if you change this, which to me, I never noticed this, but you can say the question IDs, but most people, you want those question numbers, right? I'm going to hit save. And now when you export that at the beginning of all your questions, it will have the question number. So let me, I'm going to pause the recording and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, so I just exported it and then opened it. Now, the first ones you'll see, hey, Joe, you told me there's question numbers. They're not here because these are the stock things. These aren't questions. But notice here with 1 and 2 and 2. And so all these that are 2s, now it's easy to see if there was an array question. It's easy to see these are all actually the same option, right? Yeah, there's obviously a lot of options here for 2. And then we get to 3. Let's do this. Let's copy all those and transpose them. There we go. So you can see these were all of our, there's the question 1, here's all question 2, and then 3. So it makes it much easier to see. Now I know here these, if you go in, you can give these, if you set up the aliases, you can set them up so we can group them that way. And that actually says Q9. Look, I put it in there, Q9. I manually typed that in and thing. But of course, if your survey changes, then that number is going to be wrong. So in my survey, I hand, coded that, but this is automatically done, right? So I think that's very cool that it puts in there. Now, I'm writing a program that'll actually automate replacing this a little bit better because when you import it to SPSS, it can't handle numbers at the beginning. So I'll just insert a Q in front of that and do some other stuff. But that back on the website, changing that settings to have that, or the IDs, but usually the numbers, that's the golden stuff, right? Like that is really cool. So hope you enjoyed that. Thanks. Cheers.